What's up, YouTube? We got our 2007 Sweet Spot football box break. I'll read off the teams real quick. New England, Saint Freak. You got Chargers, Bears, Falcons, Saints, Cardinals, Ravi, Lions, and Vikings. Fry Baby Rhino, Ravens, Patriots, Packers, Giants, Eagles, and Rams. And you got the free jersey card. IAX, 49ers, Sluggo, Steelers, Ghost Fan, Dolphins, Asmodeus, 1882, Panthers, Will, Colts, Cowboys, and Texans, and then the unsold teams were the Seahawks, Redskins, Buccaneers, Raiders, Chiefs, Broncos, Jets, Bills, Titans, Jaguars. What happened to our computer? Here it is. Hold on. Just a second. There we go. Alright, show you the time. 10:01.
Let's get into it.
Alright, guys. And it is box number 30. Alright.
Check us out on Twitter, guys, at Card Addicts.
And subscribe to us. Okay. Alright, first card. Mike Fury for the Lions to, was that $4.99? You got that?
Mm-hmm.
And we got Drew Brees, Saints to $4.99. And we got Joe Thomas, Browns. Who's the Browns?
Us.
Okay, I'll pull this one. Oh!
AP rookie jersey.
AP rookie jersey.
Who's that good?
Ravi, John Kid.
Nice hit.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice hit.
Is that rookie, right?
Yeah, that's his rookie.
Another.
And then the Joe Thomas was that. And then we got Rams, Brian Leonard to 99. And that autograph's
Faded.
it's faded.
Oh, who's Rams?
Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the autograph's faded.
Yeah,
And that's
really.
Fry Baby Rhino. And then we get last hit. Giants, Steve Smith to $7.99.
Who's Giants?
Who is the Giants? Oh, Fry Baby Rhino pick up another hit. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.